Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Next Country and welcome to our next vlog. Today we're gonna go to Karnivora Steakhouse, do a review. So right now I just booked an Uber. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see it. So yeah, it's not like, it's probably like 2 to 5 minutes from here. It's not even far. It's walking distance, but the reason why we are not walking today is because it's raining. Sana, you're wearing good clothes. Alright, I think this is the one, guys. Yeah. Assalamualaikum. The camera is actually dark. You won't be able to see anything.
I'm cleaning my glasses because of the rain.
Alright. Nice. Let's have a look at the menu. So they got like premium meat cuts, desert desire, some shakes. This is their coffee. Do they have another side? Oh, they do have another side. Alright, so they got like soup, appetizers, salads, pasta, toasties. Anyways, we're gonna go for a steak today, guys. So now
I'll go for pasta.
pasta. Alright. So she's gonna go for pasta and I'm gonna go for I'll go for ribeye. Yeah? I wanted to try the ribeye or the T-bone, but they didn't have either, guys, at this time. They normally have in the morning or evening, but we came here at 10 o'clock at night, so maybe that's why. So good customer service so far. They're very professional, unlike most of the restaurants here in Pakistan. They like overcharge for more money, and then their customer service is shit. Sana, how you doing? It's actually very nice with this sauce. It's so juicy and it's like we're done with this masterpiece and now we're just waiting for the main dish. Okay, I need to cut it sideways. It looks good. It is medium well. That's very nice. Alright guys, I need to talk about the steak. It's actually very nice. Like I never had tenderloin I usually go for ribeye, T-bone and other steaks. But this meat, tenderloin, is very tender. Like I hope you guys can see it. Like it's so good. Like it's like a must try. If you're like a steak lover and you haven't tried it, you should. I ordered medium well and it is actually medium well. It's really nice. How's Sunny?
It's good, I'm trying to finish it.
It's actually a big quantity. It's like good for the price, right? I am honestly like so full right now. I cannot like have another bite of anything. So Sana, what's your overall review on this? How much would you give for interior? It has a very nice interior.
9.5.
I would give it a
9.5.
yeah. I would give 9.5. Actually 10. I don't know. And how much would you give for your pasta?
9.
A 9. That's good. That's good. And what about
Chicken wings is a 10.
chicken? Yeah,
11
chicken
for
wings is
chicken
10. I would give my tenderloin a 9 out of 10. And the chicken wings, of course, it's a 10 out of 10. It's probably the best chicken wings out there. Like, the wings itself was so good. What would you say about the service?
Also, this is good.
10 out of 10. Yeah, same. I would give the service 10 out of 10. Just gonna have a sip of water, pay the bill, and then we're out of here. Oh, I see what you're doing. You think you can sneak up on me? I'm the cameraman. So.
It's raining.
The what? Oh, it's raining.
Look at the food.
If it's raining, let's just wait.
No, it's fine. It's not a lot.
Alright.
It's very little.
It's very peaceful.
Yeah.
It's a wrap up for today's video. We had a good time. Thank you, Karnivora, for allowing us to film inside and for giving us such a great meal. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. If you like our reviews, we could do, you know, like, suggest us in the comments where should we review next. Like,
We can find places in Bahria Town.
yeah, and I mean, like, there's the legit Bundu Khan in front of us.
And there's the best biryani to our right.
Oh yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll be ending the video now. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment where you think we should review next. It's a bye from us both.
Ciao.
Peace.